hashtags. Today we're going to go over hashtags. My name is Sean over Help Me Market Please, and today's free quick tip is going to be going over everything hashtags. Did you know that if you go to inflact.com, you can find out what the top hashtags are for your niche or trending and copy and paste them into your Instagram, your Facebook, and everything that you need for social media posting, and it's quick and easy. For months, I was locating the hashtags online and figure out what the best ones are, but this website does it all for you right away. So I'm gonna search kitchen and find some hashtags that fit my criteria. So all of these are the top searched hashtags for the word kitchen. You can click which ones you like the best, and it goes over here on the right hand side to where you can copy them. And you can also go up to the top and click on hashtag trends and see what the best hashtags are that fit the trends that are going on right now. You can search it by today, 7 days, last month, and you can see the word love hashtag is 2.15. Art, so you have all the different hashtags you can find, so you're not wasting precious hashtag space, because we all gotta love them or you hate them, but you only hate them because you're not researching in the right way. So you want to make sure you follow this website and follow us for more quick tips. But once you do this, all you have to do is click on the copy, and then you can go straight to your Instagram, your Facebook, or you can just email it and click on your hashtags. We do this for all of our employees. We hashtag every single post, every single article, and you want to make sure you're using hashtags. If you're not using hashtags, what are you waiting for? Make sure you figure out what the best are for your business. No matter if you're a plumber or you're a marketing company, go to this website, inflact.com, and click on your hashtags. It's completely free, no purchase necessary. Make sure you follow us for more videos. Click the share button, click the follow button for more free quick tips for your marketing and your local business. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Help me market, please.